Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create this double color text, and this can be modified very easy like this or being like this. How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can access this Canva first, and here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view and also get the easier way to do this editing. And after that, you can start to do the login first, and you can view or see this homepage, and you can go to this custom size, and you can also adjust the, let's say, the blank space to start off the editing. You can adjust the size that you want over here, and after that you can continue to click new, create new design, and it will usually direct you into this section. And after that you can also easily change the background color, let's say to become white or to become black. Which one do you prefer? There are a lot of spectrum of color over here. And after that I will start to click text over here and click add heading, and let's say I will type Canva, and I will also adjust the size. You can also select the font style that you would like to use. For example, maybe Stringer White, Berkshire, and a lot of the font style over here. You can choose which one do you prefer. And for example, I will choose this one. And after that, I will start to make a copy of this picture. I will start to choose the share and copy to clipboard, and click this again, copy to clipboard, and kindly wait for the process, and you can copy this one or click this copy to clipboard again. And after that you can click add page, and I will paste or Ctrl V from my keyboard, and you will see this one. And after that I will go back to this section 2 in the page 1, and I will start to change the color. Let's say I will change it to become the bright yellow, I guess. Okay, and after that I will go back to this share and copy to clipboard, and copy to clipboard again. Kindly wait for the process, and you can copy to clipboard. A lot of copy to clipboard over here. And after that you can go back to the page 2 and paste it. There you go. And this is the a little bit tricky part, that is you need to position of this pasted words, and make sure that your position is precise. And after that you can go to this apps, and you can search for the image blender. Let's say I will search for it, image blender. And you will see this one, image blender. And don't worry, because this app is 100% for free, and if you are the new user you just continue to use this one and it will show you this option. And after that you can keep this word being selected, and let's say you can choose this linear. Kindly wait, and you will see that our word is not really positioned well, so I would start to change the position, let's say, and also maintain the same font size. And I will go back to this one, Okay, there you go. This already precise, or the position is already precise. And you can also adjust by drag this. It's kind of the scale of this double color. It is linear and also the radial. You can adjust it like this and move it easily to the left, to the right, up, down, to the corner, in every corner. Which one do you prefer? So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this double color effect. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.